Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Ellie and I am bringing you some cheaper meals that are healthy, filling, and will get you through the week for less. So the inspiration for these videos is that I'm a recent university graduate and I see a lot of people struggling to feed themselves when they're at uni or if they've got a tight budget, and I wanted to share what I used to eat, what I still eat. They're healthy, they're filling, they've got protein in them. Part of it is that, like you probably do too, I used to see a lot of food hauls, grocery hauls, what they make, and a lot of it's expensive. It's not a reality, or it's not sustainable for a lot of students or people who are young and they're just starting out in their life and their career. And so I wanted to share some much cheaper options and alternatives that a lot of them are vegetarian. Without further ado, let's get into the video. It's vegetarian curry. It's full of lentils, chickpeas, canned tomatoes, and it costs $7 Canadian for 4 dinner-sized servings. I hope you enjoy. So here you can see I'm using chickpeas and lentils. They both cost $1.17. I'm using coconut milk, which costs about $1.27. You can use whatever spices you want here. I'm just using a bunch of different ones because I don't have any curry powder, but you can use just curry powder if you like. It costs about $5. I'm using leftover broccoli from the fridge and a couple of carrots. Carrots are really cheap vegetables. I'm also using some salt and pepper. Honestly, half an onion is probably going to cost me like 20 or 30 cents. Garlic. So you only need to use a clove or two. Then the last ingredient is the rice. So I'm using just over a cup of that 2 kilo bag of rice. It cost me $4. It's just great value rice. So the grand total is $7, which I think is incredible. It's $1.70 per person, and that's for 4 servings for dinner. You can have it for lunch and you can freeze it. Amazing. Before you start cooking, add 1 cup of rice to 1 3/4 cups of water and turn on a high heat, and when it starts to boil, then turn it down to a low heat and cook for about 40 minutes. What we want to make sure is that all our vegetables are cooked, and you kind of want some of your chickpeas, well, you do want your chickpeas to be also quite soft. So I'm going to mix that up. We add that towards the end just because the cream or the milk, whatever you're putting in, will stick on the bottom if you put it in too early, and it just makes it really annoying because then you have to stand here the whole time and stir it, and ain't nobody got time for that. So we're going to pop that in. I'm also going to pop some salt and pepper in because the canned tomatoes I'm using do not have any salt or pepper added to them. And what I honestly suggest is that when you go to the supermarket, look at the bottom shelves because that's where they keep the cheapest form of that ingredient. It will dramatically drop your grocery bill. And so you do always want to try it, just taste test it. You might want to add a little bit of sugar if it's a little bit acidic from the tomatoes. Or you could always add a beef or chicken stock cube or veggie stock cube if that's what you want, if that's your preference. And then we're going to let that simmer a little bit more. You might want to let yours reduce right down.
If you like this video, please like and subscribe and leave me a comment down below of what your favourite go-to meal is.